Ginger may look like a simple kitchen ingredient, but it has a powerful effect on your body. For centuries, ginger has been used as a natural medicine because it contains active compounds like gingerol, which help fight inflammation and oxidative stress. When you eat ginger, it starts working from your digestive system and slowly affects your entire body. One of the biggest benefits of ginger is digestion. It helps your stomach empty faster, reduces gas, bloating, and acidity, and improves nutrient absorption. Ginger is also well known for reducing nausea, whether it is motion sickness, morning sickness, or nausea caused by weak digestion. It helps relax the stomach muscles and improves gut movement. Ginger also supports the immune system by helping the body fight infections and reduce inflammation. People with joint pain or stiffness may notice less pain because ginger naturally reduces inflammatory markers. It can also help control blood sugar levels and support heart